My name is Michelle Dyer, and I just have to note I am not a financial advisor. Please consult one. And the views expressed here are strictly my own and do not reflect my employer. So, this is it. We're going to put it all together. So, we talked about automatic payments, how you need to make your debt payments for your student loans or your credit card automatic. Your utilities, make those auto pay so you don't forget to pay that. Retirement contributions, make those automatic. Your investments, make those automatic payments. Pay yourself first before you buy those fun shoes or go out to a dinner. Pay yourself first. So, how do we calculate your magic number? Take the necessities: rent, utilities, food, like grocery food, not fun food, going out, grocery food, plus retirement investment savings. So, what are you going to put into your retirement account each month? I don't care if it's just $10 and you increase it to $50 by the end of the year. I don't care if you put $10 in an investment account this month and you plan to increase it to $50 each month by the end of the year. Start putting money and getting in the habit of putting money into your retirement and investment savings now. And then add the money for your goal life. Remember when we added up those dollar amounts? That is your magic number. Now, how do you get there? That may seem astronomical right now. So, part of your goal life is you wanted to just make money acting. That's fantastic. But are you going to make the money for your goal life happen through investment income? Are you going to make it happen through acting jobs? You need to have multiple streams of income. Are you going to make it happen through survival jobs? Are you going to make it happen through a side hustle, whether that's an online course or an online business? Are you going to sell jewelry that you make, scarves that you knit? Are you going to give voice lessons or start a dog walking business? You need multiple streams of income. Are you just so behind in debt and savings that you need to go on a cruise ship and bank a ton of money before you come back to the city and hit the ground running? Think about what you need for your career. Financial stability is one of the main things that you need for longevity in this career. Just think about that. You need to be financially stable to be able to take class in the best city in the world for acting and musical theater. If you're a musical theater actor and you are not in dance and voice and acting class, what are you doing? You don't just take training for 4 years in college and move to the city and you're perfect. No, you need to be training constantly. You need to be absolutely training constantly, keeping up on your game, going to classes, going to see shows. There is so much money involved with this business. So we need to be able to make a ton of money to invest in our career and have the flexibility to audition when we need to. So you need to work those survival jobs whenever you get the chance. You need to have a side hustle that will allow you to work wherever and whenever you are. You need to be pulling in residual income. You need to be pulling in investment income, whether it's through dividends or writing covered calls or whatever you're doing. You need to have multiple streams of income. So, check out the Actors Fund, and they have great advice and classes on money and debt management and wellness. And it's an amazing, amazing resource that can go and deep dive into these. And I'll talk about resources, actually. Resources. The Actors Fund, they have classes for you, they have people there that are there to help. A fantastic book, The Automatic Millionaire by David Bach, Unshakeable, Tony Robbins, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki, Young, Fabulous, and Broke by Suze Orman. These are people that I absolutely love, and probably this whole presentation was me quoting some version of what I've learned from them because I am not a financial advisor. I will say that for the third time. And this is just stuff that I've learned and I want to share with people because I'm like, why does no one teach this in school? And I think it's so, so, so important for people to learn, and especially actors. We need to be financially savvy, and financial savviness needs to be cool. And I want to make it cool so badly. And I want to make it cool to have a retirement account and an investment account. And I know the Kardashians don't go, "Oh, look at my bank account," but, like, they do flashy, flashy, and look what I spent on my Christmas party, but you could have put that money in XYZ in an investment and savings, and I want that to be cool. I want it to be cool to put money in savings and to be financially responsible. I will get down off my soapbox. Thank you for taking this course, for listening. I really hope that you have learned something. This is a very quick overview, so I hope you take these nuggets and it sparks some interest and you do some research with experts. Please let me know what questions you have. Thank you so much for honoring me with your time, and I hope this was incredibly valuable for you. And thank you so much. Have a great night. Bye.